Hello, my name is Faris and you join me here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I would like to take you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen Multivan style. This vehicle comes in the long wheelbase format and features a 2-litre TDI diesel engine producing 150 PS. Accompanying this is a smooth DSG automatic transmission. This Multivan comes finished in the deep black pearlescent paint colour, and some of the exterior features include LED headlights with LED daytime driving lights. Down below we'll find a set of 19-inch Halmstadt alloy wheels finished in a black and silver colour. Moving towards the rear of the Multivan, we'll find privacy glass lining the rear windows, including the rear tailgate window, and further helping you park and manoeuvre, the vehicle features a rear view camera as well as a set of rear parking sensors. Also equipped is an electronic tailgate which can be operated from the key fob. Opening up the tailgate and taking a look into the boot area of the vehicle, there's a fair amount of storage space which can be increased by moving the rearmost seats forward. Access into the rear passenger area can be found on either side of the vehicle thanks to the twin sliding door option. Up in the cab there's two singular seats with twin armrests as well as a heated function, and in the centre of the dash we'll find the colour touchscreen multimedia system. This system allows you to connect your smartphone device to the vehicle using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as access a variety of different vehicle menus and settings. For the driver there is a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel, as well as a Volkswagen digital cockpit system. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen Multivan style. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.